Hi everyone, hope you're okay. Welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I am actually going to be giving you a tour of the women's home. Yes, I know I've been talking about this property and this project for such a long time and I actually haven't shown you around it at all for a reason, but I feel like now is the time to give you an inside look of this property. Now, it is pretty much a crap hole, I'm not gonna lie. It's not in good condition, it's in horrendous condition. But that's okay, because this whole project is about transforming this property in order to transform lives. So yeah, I'm excited to actually show you around, show you what I'm working on, and then in future videos I'm going to be showing you the plans and how I'm doing and who I'm meeting, how I'm finding the money, and all that stuff. So yeah, let's get going. So this is the house. This is room number 1. As you can see, it's got all my crap in it. And then we've got some stairs which are super steep going upstairs to the other bedrooms on this side of the house. So this is another bedroom. This is a slightly smaller bedroom. We've got storage there. And then we've got a really huge bathroom here. So this is a really big size bathroom. And then we have another good sized bedroom. And you can see from this window out onto the courtyard, which looks a mess, like the whole house. But we'll carry on through, go back down these horrendously steep steps. Another bedroom there with a door to the cellar. And then, wow, look at the state of this. So this had damp, there was all damp here, so that all needs replastering because the damp proofing is done. This is the lounge. Again, a huge mess. And then carrying on through to the kitchen, which needs ripping out, starting again. Separate toilet. So this kitchen is naff. And then we carry on through, and there's another door there that takes you out into the courtyard. And we have more stairs leading to the rooms at the back. So back here we have another bedroom. Again, a bit of a mess. Bedroom number 2. Very small room. We have another bathroom here, and then we have a bucket there because there is a leak. This is where the boiler is, and just an empty room, and then the final bedroom, which is another good size. I'm just going to go back through this door, which takes you out to the courtyard. Let me take you back here, because this is an old forge back here. So in here is like a TARDIS of space. It's quite incredible. So that's the next project once we've finished here. But yeah, that's pretty much the house. It looks horrendous at the moment, but it's going to be beautiful by the time I've finished, I hope. So that's it, that's the house. That's the first tour of the house, and I told you it was not in good condition. I did say that, and yeah, I know it's pretty bad, but it'll be beautiful by the time I'm finished. So yeah, so I just wanted to give you a quick tour around it so you can actually see what it is that I'm working on, what it is that I keep talking about, and yeah, just give you a look inside. So
I shall update you on how I'm going over the weeks. I'll take you along on the journey with me so you can see from beginning to end how this project is going. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. But otherwise, I shall see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.